Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out the JasmyCoin's price chart, and I'm going to tell you why I am now seeing some very optimistic signs suggesting maybe the final low in Jasmy is already in. And right now, at least, we are absolutely following the bullish track. And I'm also going to tell you what you need to see in the near future in order for you to be bullish, but like much more confident. So, are you ready? Let's start. First things first. If you want to be bullish on any chart in any market, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. This specific example is called an impulse. Rules for it are we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of 5 wave, wave 3 is simply not allowed to be the smallest wave, and 4 are sub waves. Okay. 5 up into wave 1, 3, and 5. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have different possibilities. I don't know, let's say sure. ABC into 4 and yep, a WXY structure into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. First things first on some higher degrees. Okay, so here's the deal in Jasmy. I think we are having off of the lowest low down here a beautiful looking impulse on the upside, followed by that there's a very good chance this is actually an ABC in form of an expanded flat, which means essentially we are having a magnificent bullish setup. Why? Because in my view this suggests we are having 5 up into 1 correction for wave 2, and what's next if this count is happening? You know the answer, a strong move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Do we have some more evidence further confirming this possibility? In my view, yes. Let's zoom in more and pay attention to what is happening in here. What is this pattern? In my view, once more a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we talked about this wave in like extreme details. Followed by that, there's a good argument to be made for Jasmy to have completed already a corrective movement in form of an ABC zigzag. More on that in a minute. And well, on a higher degree, once more, this can be a 1 and a 2. This time is actually going to be on a lower degree relative to this one, and the idea is soon we can witness a good move up into wave 3, 4, 5 in order to complete the sub waves for this larger degree wave 3, and what's next? Correction for 4, another move into wave 5. So when you zoom out a bit more and watch the structures, I think it's safe to argue that we are absolutely following the bullish track. Having said all that, what is going on in like very short time? If you remember, in the previous video in Jasmy, we were right in here, and the idea was that we want to see maybe another small move up, but followed by that a correction structure on the downside and yet another move up. And at that point, we can argue maybe the low in Jasmy is already in, and we have completed the sub waves toward the lowest low for an ABC zigzag, which is going to look like this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into a correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, and yet another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what's happening. So this can be off of the highest high 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A leg, and then you can say maybe this is a correction into wave B to about here or here. Doesn't really matter a whole lot in my view, and then yet another 1, 2, 3 running flat into 4, another move down into wave 5. So what happened? It seems like that we are actually bullish, and we do have a decent argument for this thing to be a beautiful bullish setup. First things first, I don't know if you like classic patterns, but if you do, I can actually tell you, look, this is a great looking head and shoulder structure, which I do believe that is actually confirmed. Let's just draw the neckline for it. There we go. You see, if you want to say that a bullish head and shoulder is confirmed, you need to see an initial move above the neckline followed by a pullback and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this high, and it seems like in Jasmy we have done it. Question: what's going to be the target for this pattern? First things first, you need to put your chart on regular scale. I'm going to say this basically in every single video so you understand that there is simply no measuring waves on logarithmic, and then you need to measure the height of your pattern and put it at your supposedly breaking point. This is in like very short term, let's say in the next 48 to 72 hours, giving you about like a 1.75 cents Jasmy, meaning from here we can expect at least another 10 to 15% move on the upside. So this was in terms of classic patterns, which is great. What about what is happening in terms of Elliott's wave? So first things first, we said before, this is 5 wave impulsive structure up, followed by that Now I'm going to argue our 5 wave actually ended right in here and not to about the highest side, and then this is, excuse me, let's just take this object, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 wave down. This is probably ABC down followed by an ABC up. So you probably know it if you are a regular viewer of the channel. These are the subwaves for an ABC expanded flat. Now on a higher degree in Jasmy, we can say, look, this is 1, this is 2, and what's next if this count is playing out? A massive move up into wave 3 4 5, meaning even in like very short term, there's a good chance the final low in Jasmy is already in. So if you want to be bullish in JasmyCoin with more confidence, what you want to see in here is a rather strong move on the upside, followed by a consolidation pattern, and then yet another move up. And at that point, you can sort of kind of safely assume that the low is already in. And even if not that, overall, you can say we are looking very much bullish, and this whole move does indeed fall into the category of a corrective move. Now, let's go around here. Excuse me. Okay, what just happened? You see, in a classic downtrend, we are having a series of lower highs and lower lows. And when can we say maybe our move down is over? When we get a move up in order to take the previous major pivot high right in here. And in Jasmy, I actually need you to pay full attention to number 1, this high, and number 2, especially this important high right in here, about 1.75 cents. Now, why are these important? These are important from 2 different perspectives. Number 1, from classic trends, you can actually argue that this indeed was our previous major pivot high. And if so, well, okay, the moment that we get a move up and in it we take this side, this can be a very optimistic sign, suggesting maybe the trend has changed. On the other hand, the second perspective suggests, again, in terms of Elliott's phase, this is an ABC zigzag, which will get confirmed when we get a move up and in it we take this important high about 1.75 cents. So the importance of this high right in here is from the aspect of Elliott's waves, and at that point, again, you can argue whatever move that we are having currently is just a correction structure, and who knows, maybe even our move down is over and we are looking extremely bullish. And finally, you see, we talked about this subject, I think, in the previous videos. The good thing that happened in here is that we really didn't spend a whole lot of time under this important level. And so far, I can tell you, you know what, this was just a simple fake out, especially since right now seems like that we want to get back above this level, do a consolidation, and another move up. Now, here's the situation. If this scenario is going to happen, meaning with absolute authority, we are going to get a good move at that point, because above here, I'm not really able to find a whole lot of strong resistances. I am going to argue our move up in Jasmy is going to continue to where? To all the way up here around this important level between, let's say, 2.9.5 to about 3.5 cents, meaning from here we can expect in the next couple of weeks, maybe in the next month or two, maybe like another 100% move on the upside. This is one very important reason for why am I so optimistic in Jasmy. And also in terms of Elliott's waves, I think structures do align for that scenario to be in play. Why? Because this can be a wave 1 correction for 2, and what's next? Good move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. And you want to remember, in terms of Elliott's waves, wave 3 is usually a very strong and sharp move on the upside. So okay, we can absolutely expect Annette having like a 100, hopefully even 200% move up in order to reach to about the next important level, all the way up here between 4.5 to about 6 cents area. And if we do get a break of this level as well, well, okay, at that point, you know what, let's not talk about those scenarios, because right now, since the price is so low, I am going to get accused of being an absolute moon boy, and I really do not want that smoke in the comment section. I don't really have the time for it. For now, let's just take everything step by step and watch the current wave very closely and see hopefully a good move up, consolidation, and another move, which will be a fantastic sign indicating the low is already in. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in the JasmyCoin's price chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.